Hi Zach, so I hope you've watched that video on how to find the highest common factors. So now we're going to have a look at that question you're having trouble with. So the question on Maths Online was, and forgive the handwriting please, it was negative 36x divided by negative 28y. So first we've got to find the highest common factor of 36 and 28. Okay, so what are numbers that times together to get 36? 6 and 6. Okay, they're not prime numbers, so we'll keep going. Two numbers that multiply together to give 6, 3 and 2, both prime numbers. Circle them. Same over here, 3 and 2. Okay, we can't go down any further because they're prime numbers. Do the same for 28. So what do we get? 7 times by 4. That's a prime number. What times together to give 4? 2, prime number, 2, prime number. Now, highest common factor, well, for 36, we ended up with 3, the circle numbers 3 times 2 times by 3 times by 2. Would that give 36? 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 times by 2 is 36. So that works out. It's all the prime numbers. Okay, and the 28, 7 times by 2 times by 2. Does it work out? 7 times 2 is 14. 14 times 2 is 28. Works out. But we're looking for the common factors. So is 3 here and here? No. 2 and 2? Yep, there's a set. So let's write that down there. 3 and a 3 down here? Nope. And a 2 and a 2 down here? Yes. It's in both. Common. Times by 2. So the highest common factor equals 2 times 2, which is 4. So that was a lot of working out to find our highest common factor, but if we use that same technique or method each and every time we're trying to find a highest common factor, we will find it. Okay, so it might have taken us 3 or 4 minutes, but 3 or 4 minutes in and we've got it, we can move on. So back to the actual question here. Negative 36x divided by negative 28y. Well, first things first, a negative divided by a negative gives us a positive, so we can get rid of that. Okay, we don't need that anymore, don't need that anymore, cancel each other out. Our highest common factor of 4, how many times does that go into 28? It goes in there 7 times. Our highest common factor of 4, how many times does it go into 36? If you know your times tables, you'll know that's 9. Okay, 9 times 4 is 36. So what have we got left over? Okay, up the top we've got a 9 and an x. And down the bottom we've got a 7 and a y. All right, that should be our answer, 9x over 7y. And our answers, here's the sheet. That was the question. And down here, there you go, J, 9x over 7y.